Hey, this is Ron here, and this kind of a unscripted video here, and I'm not going to edit or anything. This is going to kind of be a live video because what you see here is what you're going to get. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to jump right to the chase. What I got here is the V-Copter Falcon Mini, and we've been waiting on these things. I'll quickly go over the story. So, V-Copter, Mini was a Indiegogo thing that started up last spring, I believe in April, and when I was at the South Florida Drone Meetup, we were able to purchase it then, and it was promised to come. I think they said June or July, where it really came in like July, August, or whatever. And sure, I was one of the, I'm going to say I was one of the people down the line that got it. One of the last people got it. I don't even, it seemed like a whole bunch of people got it before me. I got sometime around the middle of August. I couldn't even get it flying for a while. Johnny and Mike Wright helped me finally figure out how to get the thing flying. Once it flying, it flew good, but I didn't even, I think they got me flying on like a Thursday or Friday, and by like the following like Monday, they had put up the company had put up that they were, say, recalling all of them. They weren't even really recalling all of them. They were telling you to destroy your drones and your batteries, that they were some kind of a, fire or electrical hazard or whatever, and they were going to replace all the drones, in the October, November period. If you ordered it, you were going to get another one and a battery, or how many batteries you ordered to replace the ones that you disposed of, right? But in the meantime, I told you, I'm going to that's a whole side story, which I'm going to tell later in case you don't want the whole video. But anyhow, so cut to the chase on. I never know the dates here. I'm not going to cut this here because I'm not good. I want to get this video up right away, so I don't want to edit it or anything. But on Tuesday, December 16th, I received this in the mail. I did get a email ahead of time with tracking numbers or whatever, but I never looked at it because I got so many of those emails come in for all the holiday gifts I ordered. I don't even look through them anymore. So I was kind of surprised a little bit, but I wasn't because my friend Johnny Drone Flyer, he got his the same day, and and this came like it's again the holiday time of year. Like usually packages come in the afternoon, morning, afternoon, most of the year. But today, packages come after dark. They can come after dinner. So, like, my wife was out late that night, or not real late, but she didn't get home until way after dark or whatever. And she pulled this package in, and here it was, the V-Copter Mini. So today's already Friday the 19th, a couple days later, and I haven't really got around to flying it or even doing a unboxing. Yeah, we'll do a mini unboxing here, and I'll tell you the reason in a second here. But for anybody who wants to end up watching the video here, so anybody who's waiting for their V-Copter replacement to come in, they are starting to hit. It was just me, Johnny, a whole bunch of people got theirs in the last couple of days. So you've been waiting for this for several months now. They are coming. They're coming. They're coming hot, as they say in the drone community. Everybody seems to be getting them all at the same time. So hopefully you'll have yours by Christmas. So quick unboxing here, mini unboxing. So let me turn a little light on here. Sorry, I'm not. I'm just doing some office. I really don't have the time today to do a big setup where I'm getting cameras out and everything. So okay, on the box you see the drone. You see yellow there down there. That's the second color. That's the box. And this box I think looks a little different than the first box. The first box was not as flat. It was it was kind of I don't know, different shape or whatever. But okay, so here we go. So we got some kind of paperwork in here, which we're not going to show. Here is the drone with plastic around it. It's got one battery installed in the back there, and that's it. No controller, no extra batteries. I guess it could have been a whole kit with 3 batteries, 2 on the side here, 1 in the drone here, like I showed you, and then the controller here. But since this is a replacement kit, you did not get all that other stuff. So okay, here's my kind of quandary here. Why I haven't flown this drone to tell you how good it is, and at least the V2 version of it, is that okay. I told you I had trouble getting my drone flying. I mean, I had it for a week or whatever, and didn't even have a flight on it. So finally, Johnny and Mike, told me the things to do, which I said that in another video that I posted back in August. So not gonna repeat all here. If you want to watch, if you want to know exactly what happened, I'll link the video I put up back in August. But anyhow, but in the meantime, before they got me going, I had put a claim into V-Copter that my drone was defective, and I wanted to send it back, get my money back for it. So they had sent me out a little label for it. So what I did is when as soon as I heard about all this recall stuff, before I even knew the details, I put the old one back in the box, slapped that label, and sent it back. Figured, hey, wash my hands of this whole deal, or whatever. So then all the details about the drone came out to destroy it and wait for another one, but I'd already set it in. By the time I knew all this stuff, so I figured, well, if I wanted to drone again, I would just go out and buy it because I had got my refund anyways, right? That eventually would come off Indiegogo and you could just buy it in the store. And I was kind of right because you can buy it in Best Buy right now, so it is for sale at a retailer, big Best Buy, so big box store. I was trying to say here. So anyhow, a train of thought here. So I thought I was done with V-Copter. Well, lo and behold, in about the past month, I've been getting emails saying, "Oh, your replacement V-Copter will be coming, soon. We'll send you further tracking notice, when drones arrive to the U.S. warehouse." And I figured, it's just a form letter they sent out that everybody that was on the mailing list originally. So, but I told Johnny about this. Johnny said, "What, you're going to get one? You're going to get one." I said, "Well, I don't really think so, but anything's possible, right?" So Johnny was right. This showed up. I guess nobody cross-references people who set them back to people who, were supposed to get replacements. So here I get one. But here's my dilemma here, folks. So I got the drone, but of course, when I sent the other drone back, I sent the whole kit caboodle back, the drone, the batteries, the controller. So right now, I don't have a controller for the drone. And this drone, you cannot fly just with your phone. You actually need a controller. So, I got nowhere to fly it right now. Now, I briefly, went over to places like Amazon, even eBay, looking for used ones, and I cannot find a controller anywhere for sale. And they still don't have those, the drone or the controller in whoever store, V-Copter store, Zero store, whoever. I guess is still kind of, hasn't made the transition being Indiegogo over. So, and I looked at Best Buy. You can buy the drone; they're not selling any accessories separate. So, when I went online, I was hoping, I was hoping I'd get that scenario where somebody had crashed their drone and all they had left was a controller. Either trash, lost their drone, all they had left was a controller, and they'd be willing to try the controller, but no luck so far. So, so that's where I'm at right now. And right now, I don't live in Florida or one of these warm places. I'm going into my winter, even though it's technically not winter for another 2 days, it's already winter weather like here most days, very windy. So I don't fly much this time of year. So I'm going to just put this thing in kind of cold storage here and see, a couple months from now, if I can get a controller for it, then I can maybe fly come this spring when the winter winds calm down and the temperatures go up a little bit, and maybe I can even take it to the South Florida Drone Meetup. I don't know the date. I'm trying to do a promo for Ray Kelly here, but South Florida Drone Meetup in Jensen Beach, Florida, sometime in early April. Go over to the 6th annual South Florida Drone Meetup Facebook group, and I'll have all the details over there, dates, times, all that stuff, where to stay at. But anyhow, that was my shameless plug for the South Florida Drone Meetup. So anyhow, that's where I'm at right now. I had the drone, can't fly it or whatever, but I knew Johnny had already had fired his up, and it took off fine or whatever. So I suspect that everything will be good. I mean, I can't see anything different just by looking at it than the other one, but I guess both the internals that got changed. So we never really found out all the details, whether it was batteries, the internal electricals of the drone, combination of both that were causing issues. And I never knew anybody had an issue with their drone battery or overheating or anything like that, sparks flying out. So it must have happened to somebody, since they went. I never saw anything so big that some company recalled all their drones. I mean, I don't know how many they'd actually shipped out, since it was just Indiegogo, but it seemed like a lot of people had purchased the drone. I don't even want to come up with a number, but anyhow, it seemed like it was a real radical move to recall all of them, but probably was the right thing to do, and I commend V-Copter, Zero Falcon, whatever the correct name for the entire company is. I credit them for taking that drastic action to make sure nobody had a bad situation like a fire or anything like that. So kudos to the company over there. So I'd say I got this drone. I really didn't pay anything for it, so I'm not out anything. You know, I don't know if I contacted V-Copter what they would say or whatever. You know, I probably wouldn't say send the drone back unless I paid for it. You know, if they wanted it back, if only they sent me a shipping label, I'd send it back. But I'm not paying to send it back my own money. And you know, I'm one of those people. I do a lot of videos, drone reviews, testings, things like that. So you know, they get their money's worth out of me by just letting me put up videos on it to spark up interest in it. So you know, it paid for itself on my channel, getting the exposure I'd give it online. But hey, you know. It is what it is. Totally their mistake. I didn't ask for a replacement drone. Nothing I did to get this drone. So anyhow, that's the quick and dirty mini. I say quick and dirty unboxing. This is a mini unboxing here. So not much, a whole lot to show you here. But that's my tale. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it on this drone. But the takeaway is that if you were waiting for your replacement drone, it is coming. If you don't have it. If you don't have it today, maybe it'll be here. Maybe it'll be here tomorrow, next week. They are coming. You know, a lot of people are mad because it seems like Best Buy had them in for sale before the people who purchased them back in April, you know, had got their replacements or whatever. So that kind of left a bad taste in their mouth. But they explained they had a contractual obligation to Best Buy before this return fiasco even happened. So, you know, you have to honor your contracts and agreements or whatever. So, yeah. So that's it, folks. You know, we're getting real close to the Christmas holiday here. So anybody that believes or whatever, you Merry Christmas. If you believe in something else, Happy Holidays. And you know, I don't know if I'll be back for another video before the big day, but if not, I will see you. I will see you on the 26th in Ocean City, New Jersey, in the boardwalk at the Ken Heron Day After Christmas Meetup. This is, I don't know, at least the 5th, 6th annual one. Ken, if you're watching, put down in the comments how many years we've been doing it. I've been to all of them, but one year I had the COVID and missed or whatever. But I think I missed 2. I may have missed the first one, and whatever year it was, I had the COVID. But anyhow, wrapping up here. So I'll say the usual stuff. If you enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment, that helps too. Subscribe if you're not already a member of the channel. Bring that bell so you'll know when I put new videos up, and we'll see you on the next video, folks. Maybe the next video won't be until after the holidays, but we'll see you soon. Cut. I'm stopping the video here now because I'm not editing this thing.